the wild budgerigar. And that has evidently caused a few domestic arguments. This is truly an immense community. A hawk, and one that eats budgies. And it's not the only bird of prey here. The budgies have a simple but very effective defence. They all take to the wing at once. Flying in a flock keeps the budgies safe, but they're still desperate to drink. But once on the water, they are easier to target. The last ones to leave will be the ones in most danger. Only one has been taken from a flock of 10,000.